Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have a Melodysusie haul. How much they wrapped this really well. So they sent me over their latest e-file. So this is a special anniversary one, and they did a pink and orange. I figured most people would choose the pink, so I chose the orange because the orange looks so pretty. Like, look how pretty that is. It's kind of like a super pretty, like a prettier copper. I know a lot of people like copper, and I like copper too. But it's like a super pretty color. I'm actually really glad I went with orange. We have the handpiece and then the charging cables. Ooh, okay. Comes with a couple different bits. This one, the medium carbide bit or a ceramic bit, was my jam. Ooh, okay, you know what? This is my favorite flat top because it's a safety flat top. Not sure if you guys are gonna pick up. See, it's probably not focusing. The safety top is the best. You have your hand piece and then your piece that will slide in. Literally so easy. Your charging cable. And then they give you some diamond bits. These ones look really nice. You can see how sparkly they are. Well, let's be real. We all know what you're here for. This has a little bit of weight to it, but this so far reminds me the most for a professional drill or e-file. Speed, forward, reverse, and then your piece, your hand piece. You can strap it on. It is wireless, but it also has your charger. All right, so I have it unlock, lock. So unlock, I'm gonna slide my bit in, lock it. It feels super secure in there. Handpiece is a good weight. It's slightly heavier than my Kupa, or I'm sorry, lighter than my Kupa. Your on-off is pushing, let's see, focus. Your on-off is pushing this in, and then here we go. 35,000 RPMs. I don't even think you can see that. Okay, let's do our test. Oh. This may have just become my favorite e-file. I mean, that is butter. Let's do it again. Okay, this is 100% my new favorite e-file. So to turn it on, you push this in, turn it on, you push this in, 1, 2, 3, and you can kind of see, I don't think you're seeing this screen. I don't think it's gonna matter, but there is a screen on here. Now it says paused, because obviously there's nothing going on. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. So I will recommend that you're obviously always going to want to turn that down before you turn it off. So again, 3 seconds, and then now it's back to charging. Obviously I didn't use a duster, so now this is all dirty, but I'm in awe of this. This works just as good as my Kupa. And my Kupa's been having a little bit of issues. So this may be my new go-to e-file. I'm just shocked at how quick and well that worked. I'll make sure to link this one below, but this right here, my new favorite e-file. I know I literally said the last one was, but this handle piece, it's better. It's more professional. It doesn't have those fans on it. Like, this is literally a professional handpiece. So, all right, I'd like to thank Melodysusie for sending this over to me, and I'm loving the orange. So cute. It comes in orange and pink. I'll make sure to link it below for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye. So we are adding to the end of my first impressions video because I have been using this exclusively, only this e-file, for the past 3, maybe 4 months at this point. I asked for an extension because I had a couple people ask that I do more of a longevity type of review as long as my first impressions, because I have a whole playlist of first impressions, but I wanted to give this one a little bit more longevity review because I fell in love with this e-file and I really wanted to see if it stayed true to me loving it, and it sure did. It's so dirty. Like I said, this has been my e-file that I have been using, so it's still dirty. It's awesome. This is probably my favorite e-file, and I'm going to continue to use this. I'm gonna try to do at least 6 months. So I have either 2 or 3 more months to do, and then if I get another e-file, then I can do another review. But I feel like longevity reviews or going back and re-reviewing an e-file is actually beneficial, especially for people who need a little bit more reassurance if I actually like the product, because, you know, first impressions are great, but longevity I think is also great. The only thing I don't like about this is when you hold to push it down to turn it on, it starts in a pause, which I kind of understand because you don't want it to go full throttle. And then you turn it on. I mean, my thing's out there. You pause again. And if you don't hold it down to turn it off, I know you can't see the screen. I have actually killed the battery a couple times, but you can still use it plugged in. Like, there's a little plug there. So it doesn't necessarily matter, but if you're using it wirelessly and like you're a nail tech on the go or just on the go in general and you're taking this, bring your charger, one, obviously, but that is probably the most annoying aspect of it, but I see why it's there, because then you can just pause it, move on to the next thing, you can flip it and then unpause it again. So I get it, but for how I use my e-files, it's a little bit of annoyance for me, but overall, like, that's not even like 1% of a deal breaker, if that makes sense. So overall, love this e-file. My first impression still stands, and I will try to do a follow-up because, again, I'm using this exclusively for everything. And again, sorry, it's a little dirty. I probably should have cleaned it. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.